I understand the case that's made for it, and I keep a very close eye on what's happening internationally, particularly in the States and in South America. And I think there are some interesting debates that have emerged, particularly in South America in relation to this. I don't think that we can be in a position in this country to go for full legalisation. I think that, you know, if I talk to people involved in the services, in the psychiatric services and in the addiction service and support services, and there's a pretty strong view there that it would be a bad idea. The kind of cannabis that's available in Ireland now is, in many cases, is an awful lot stronger than what would have been, you know, what people would have partaken in the colleges and so on in the 70s and 80s when I was a student. There's a lot of really, you know, really very, very dangerous stuff out on the streets. So the notion of legalising that, I would find, you know, abhorrent, to be honest with you. But I think that we should maintain an open mind towards international developments. We have responsibility under the conventions in relation to the control of drugs, but we shouldn't close our minds to developments and what's happening overseas, and I've certainly kept a close watch on that, and will continue to do so.
I have to ask, did you partake when you were in college?
I did.
Much?
No.